This video is a description of how to perform a drop ball test. This test is designed to measure the consistency of a structural cob mix as used in the CobBauge composite wall system. The first thing to do is to fill a 2-litre container or jug with your structural mix. That is then taken out of the container and moulded as far as possible into a sphere or ball. Once your structural mix is suitably spheroid, the next step is to take it and drop it from a height of exactly 1 metre. It will form a splat on the floor, and the diameter of this splat is then measured. And the measurement you're looking for is 21 centimetres, plus or minus 1 centimetre.